Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to show you on how to add follow button on Facebook profile. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your Facebook application on your device and then click on your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen. Okay, that's right. And then scroll down and then click on settings and privacy. Now click on settings. Now, scroll down and look for the audience and visibility. We need to click on post first, okay, to check if we can see your future posts. So we need to click this one and make sure that our privacy here is on public, okay. Now go back and then click on followers and public content. Now as you can see here, it says who can follow me. So followers see your future posts, reels and stories, and feed. Friends follow your posts, reels and stories by default. Now in order to add a follow button on your Facebook profile, you need to publicize your profile by clicking on public. Okay, everything here you can click on the public icon. And that's it. You have successfully add follow button in your Facebook profile. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye-bye.